I got a package. Hi, my name is Chelsea. I am a San Diego and Tijuana nail tech. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special package actually. I am really excited to share this with you guys. As you can see, it's kind of a big one. This package comes all the way from Canada, specifically from the nail brand Lucky Juju nail supply. Or Lucky Juju is the brand. Sorry for my little bit bummy appearance. I just got back from the gym. I could not wait. I was supposed to record this video tomorrow at my suite, but I was like, no, I need to see what's in here. I need to see what's in the package. I am actually a brand ambassador for Lucky Juju. If you guys like anything that I'm showing in this video, or you guys want to try out the brand and want to support me as well, my code is Chels15, so you guys could use this at checkout and you're gonna get 15% off. Let's get started with the unboxing. Got my little strawberry box cutter. Let's cut her open. Oh my god, there is no way. There is absolutely no way. She sent me so many things. I was like, no wonder the package is bigger than what I ordered. I'm so excited. Let's see. This is the preview of the box. As you guys can tell, it's a lot of things. I wonder what this is. Oh my gosh, she is amazing. Let's see, there's a note. We'll go with this one after. Thank you for your order. Returns and exchanges. First up, we have whatever this orange package is. Let's see. Oh, it's the little palette. Like, not palette. Display thingy. It's a puzzle piece. Got this pink one. And this one. But basically, oh, they connect. Shut up, this is so cute. Look, there it is. I'm so excited. I cannot believe this right now. Next thing in the box, well, the card, we already saw that. First up, we have chrome powder. We have golden hour. It's like a pearly orange with like a pink tint to it, and obviously it comes with a little applicator. Next up we have 2 magnets for cat eye. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Can you see Lucky Juju on it? These are so gorgeous. Let's blindly dig in here. Oh, I'm assuming this wasn't it. Oh yeah, right? Or it was just the bag. No, I think this was in here. Well, she sent me one of her cuticle oils. I've been wanting to smell this one. This is the white tea cuticle oil. Let's see. I don't smell anything. Oh, just rubbed on my nose. Oh, that smells so good. It's kind of like a, I don't know how to describe it. It just smells really good. And the packaging is so adorable. She really outdid herself right here. I was not expecting all of this. I honestly was not expecting any of this. Just what I ordered, but let's see. Next blind bag. Let's see what you are. Here's some polishes. What are you? Oh, these are the cat eyes I ordered. This is shade 1. It's a green. Ooh, nice pink. Like a light pink. Okay, well we have shades 3, 4, and 5. Ooh. Ooh, nice chocolate brown one. Ooh, it's like a little milky brown. The packaging, can we get a moment for the packaging though? Let's see. Ooh, that is such a pretty blue. By the way, each one is $6. Or if you want to get the whole 6-pack, it is $30-something with my 15% off. Of course, like, well, adding my 15% off. Next up, we have brush cleaner. It says, excellent cleaning performance, gently cleanses nail brushes, and helps condition bristles without causing fraying. That sounds fun. I'm excited to try it out. Next up, we have, this is actually, I'll take them all out. Here's all 5 of the builder gel collections that I got. It is 5 different shades. These are all HEMA free and TPO free, by the way. Ooh, look at that bottle. This is shade number 3. Nice, like, ooh, that consistency. Oh, that might be amazing. Number 5. It's like a little more tan than the first one. This is a clear one. Look at that. You heard that pop? Shade number 4. This is more pink. Shade number 2, which is supposed to be like more of a neutral. Yes, this is more natural looking, not as pink. Here's all 5 of them. If you guys want to see me try these out, I will be making a video on TikTok where I will be using every single one of these products. Next up, we have Sun Kisses. I wonder what this is. I actually don't know what this is. Ooh, I am so happy right now. Next thing we have in the box is, it has no name on it. Let's see. It's another polish. Gel nail glue. So I'm assuming for Gelix? Okay, I like that consistency actually. I'm obsessed with their packaging. It's all like aura and glitter and I love it. Let's see, what are you? I just ripped the paper. Oh, some nail files. They say, start your lucky journey. And they're 100 grit files. Next we have, oh, she sent me one of her ombre gels. Look at that. The packaging, it is beautiful. Gorgeous. I got number 5. It is a Pat Blend Mix Tap Degrader Melonger? I don't know what that means. I think it's the same thing in different languages. Oh, it's one of the ones that had the little cushion in it. Let's see. Up next we have, oh. No, it's not from the same collection. Okay. This is a different collection, I guess. This is number 1 of the Sparkling Cat Eye. Oh, it's the more glittery one. It's a silver cat eye. Next we have, oh, a pink chrome. I've been actually needing one of these. It is the shade Space 2. What is this? Builder Gel number 4. I wonder what shade it is. Oh, that is so pretty. It's a shimmery milky white. It is so pretty right here. You guys see all that shimmer? It is so pretty. I believe this is the jelly builder gel. It is a very thick consistency, so if you guys are looking for something thicker that you can use for dual forms or just a builder gel that doesn't move that much, this is gonna be perfect for that. Next up we have, we're still going. There's still stuff in here, we're still going. This is, I'm not sure what this is. But again, packaging on point. Okay, let's see what you are. Oh, okay. Okay, that makes sense. So it's the whole sparkling cat eye collection. It's just, you know, I'm assuming they opened it for inspection and just threw them everywhere. But let me organize it for you guys to get that effect again. Let's pretend that never happened. Oh, no, never mind. Okay, the silver one that she sent me is part of the collection from the sparkling cat eye gels. This cat eye collection is the crystal cat eye gels, which is the other one that I did order. Look at that green. That is gorgeous. That is number one. Number two. Ooh, nice darker blue. Beautiful. Number three. Up next we have number four. That is such a pretty tan color. It is more of like a champagne white shade. It is really pretty. Number five. Oh, nice deep purple. Number six. That is gorgeous. You guys cannot even lie. That is beautiful. This was the Crystal Cat Eye collection. She sent me some Long Coffin Gelix tips. They have a lot of Gelix products. I actually really want to try. She has some Gelix tips that come like half of it is clear and then the rest is like already colored, so you press it on and you don't have to use a base color, but this part is clear so you can cure through it. These come really thin on the edge, so they blend really good with the natural nail once you put it on. You don't really have to like, you know how like Gelix tips have like a thicker, this thing right here, I don't know what it's called. This is thicker, so you have to like file it down a little bit for it to blend with the natural nail, or some people use like acetone to like blend it in. These actually come really thin right here, so you don't have to do much work. This is everything I received in this package. I am so extremely grateful right now. I cannot believe I just got all of this from Lucky Juju Nail Supply. We'll be making a separate video trying out all these products. Follow along my other social medias to see any other content that I will be making with these. I will be doing individual swatches, and if you guys have any other questions about the brand, about the products, I will be giving my review on all of this. What I will say is that the brand is very affordable, it is beginner friendly, and the packaging, obviously, I've already told you guys so many times this, it is so gorgeous. I also forgot to mention, not only does the brand choose sustainable packaging, they always choose paper over plastic. They also donate part of their revenue to local animal shelters. It's a good brand for a good cause. And thank you again, Lucky Juju. I'm very, very, very happy with everything I received. Just again, another reminder, if you want to purchase anything from Lucky Juju Nail Supply, please use code CHELS15 for 15% off. Have an amazing rest of your day, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys got just as excited as I was when I was opening all this. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more nail content and personal life content, lifestyle content.